Hi everyone, this is Southland station. Just patiently waiting for the train to come to go back home. This is Southland Shopping Center, owned and operated by Westfield, and quite a lot of cars, but there's not many people on the train station waiting to go to the city or Frankston, which is in the other direction. So this is the train. So it's going to Moorabbin, where I'm going to get off, go home. But it's on the train now. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And have a wonderful day everyone. And thank you for watching this video. And please leave a like and a comment as well.